Hey everyone! Halloween is creeping up, and if you love spooky vibes as much as I do, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 30 incredible Halloween deals that you can grab right now. Some of them are up to 89% off, and trust me, they're too good to miss. From animated monsters to tabletop decorations, there's something for every haunted corner of your home. All the links are in the description below so you can grab your favorites before they sell out. Let's kick things off with a few of my absolute favorites. Marty Monster Kid Halloween Decoration. If you want a playful yet creepy addition to your Halloween setup, Marty Monster is perfect. This little monster decoration is super affordable at just $25.97, which is 89% off its original price. Yes, you heard that right. It's lightweight, easy to set up, and instantly adds a fun, spooky character to your porch or living room. Imagine your guests walking in and seeing Marty pop up. It's a guaranteed conversation starter. And with this kind of discount, why wait? Lightshow Whirlot Eyes Projection. Light display case of 8. Next up, bring your walls and ceilings to life with the Whirlot Eyes Projection Light Display. Normally, this set costs a lot more, but right now it's 85% off at $47.97. These animated eyes are perfect for creating a haunting, almost alive effect on your walls. Imagine trick-or-treaters walking up and feeling like your house is literally watching them. It comes in a set of 8, so you can cover multiple rooms or angles for maximum spookiness. Lightshow Skull Bust Decoration. For a classic creepy touch, the skull bust decoration is a must-have. It's just $7.97, an 84% discount, making it an incredible bargain. This little skull adds instant eerie charm to any tabletop, shelf, or entryway. Its detailed design makes it look way pricier than it actually is. Perfect for creating those small, unexpected scares that really elevate your Halloween decor game. Talking and Singing. Jack-o'-lantern Digital Halloween Decoration. If you love interactive decorations, this talking and singing jack-o'-lantern is an absolute must. Right now, it's just $7.97, which is 84% off. It doesn't just sit there. It actually talks and sings, making your Halloween setup feel alive and extra playful. Place it on a table or doorstep and watch as kids and adults alike get charmed or spooked by its animated performance. Perfect for adding that little unexpected delight to your spooky scene. Little Devil Monster Kid Halloween Decoration. Next, meet the Little Devil Monster Kid, ready to bring a mischievous touch to your home. On sale for $49.97 at 80% off, this animated decoration is perfect for creating a playful yet eerie vibe. Its detailed design and lively movements make it a standout piece for porches, living rooms, or even themed Halloween parties. Imagine it peeking around corners or surprising guests. It's all about that fun scare factor. Finey Monster Kid Halloween Decoration. Another animated favorite is Finey Monster Kid. Also priced at $49.97 with 80% off, this little monster is both spooky and cute, making it ideal if you're decorating for kids or a more playful Halloween theme. Its animation and expressive movements bring personality to your display, and it's lightweight enough to move wherever you need it. Perfect for creating those little moments that make Halloween decorations unforgettable. Gremly Monster Kid Halloween. Decoration, continuing with our animated monster lineup, meet Gremly Monster Kid. Also $49.97 at 80% off. This little guy is perfect if you want a playful, slightly spooky vibe. Its lively movements and detailed design make it stand out on porches, shelves, or in themed rooms. Think of it as that mischievous character that pops up just when guests least expect it, adding personality and fun to your Halloween setup. 68-inch animated light up. Butler Decoration. If you're looking for something larger and more dramatic, the 68-inch animated light-up Butler is a showstopper. Normally pricey, it's currently $62.97, which is 79% off. This towering Butler not only lights up but also animates, greeting your guests with a spooky, lifelike charm. It's perfect for front yards, haunted house setups, or indoor displays where you want a major wow factor. Just imagine the reactions when this animated butler suddenly moves toward your guests. Buzz Animated Decoration. And for those who love big, bold, and highly detailed pieces, check out Buzz Animated Decoration. At $162.97 with 78% off, this animated figure is designed to impress. Its movement and animation bring a whole new energy to your Halloween decor. Perfect for making your yard the talk of the neighborhood. Set it up near your porch or entryway and watch as everyone stops to admire the detail in action. It's like having your own mini haunted attraction. 7 Animated Whimsical Witch. Up next is the 7-foot Animated Whimsical Witch, a magical addition to any Halloween display. Right now it's $84.97, a 76% discount. This tall animated witch spins and moves, creating a whimsical yet spooky effect that's perfect for both indoor parties and outdoor setups. Imagine it greeting your trick-or-treaters with eerie charm. It's like adding a live character straight from a haunted storybook. 7 Pesky the Clown. Animated Halloween decoration. If you love creepy clowns, Pesky the Clown is calling your name. At $80.97 with 74% off, this 7-foot animated decoration is sure to give guests a playful scare. Its lifelike movements make it ideal for front yards or themed parties, adding that wow factor that people remember. Plus, it's a great centerpiece if you want your Halloween setup to feel professional and immersive. 7 feet realistic giant latex gorilla mascot decoration with faux fur. For those who want to go big and bold, meet the 7-foot realistic giant latex gorilla mascot. Yes, it's massive, and right now it's $2,759.97, which is 66% off. Covered in faux fur, it's perfect for creating a jungle-themed haunted scene, or just shocking your visitors with sheer size and realism. It's definitely a statement piece that will have everyone talking and snapping pictures at your Halloween event. Jack-o'-lantern. Sign for a simple yet festive touch, the Jack-o'-lantern sign is perfect. At only $5.97 with 66% off, this small tabletop or wall sign adds instant Halloween charm. Its classic pumpkin face design makes it easy to pair with other decorations, and it's ideal for entryways, mantles, or party tables. Sometimes the little touches really complete the spooky vibe. 73-inch blow-up inflatable witches, Brew. Outdoor Halloween. Yard decoration. Next, make a big impression outdoors with the 73-inch inflatable witches Brew. Currently $34.97, a 63% discount. This inflatable is perfect for your yard or porch, instantly creating a fun and eerie focal point. Easy to set up and take down, it's ideal for entertaining trick-or-treaters or hosting a themed party. Imagine your guests arriving to see this bubbling, witchy display. It's pure Halloween magic. 7 feet, animated light-up cellar. Dweller Halloween decoration. If you're craving a spooky yet interactive piece, the 7-foot animated light-up cellar dweller is a must. On sale for $139.98, 60% off, it lights up and animates to create a chilling effect that's perfect for haunted setups. Place it near your entrance or in a dimly lit corner, and watch as it instantly transforms your space into a creepy wonderland. 7-foot animated rotten harvester. Get ready for a truly spine-chilling addition with the 7-foot animated rotten harvester. Right now, it's $151.98, a 60% discount. This decoration moves and lights up, bringing a haunting, lifelike presence to your Halloween display. Perfect for front yards or indoor haunted setups. It's designed to grab attention and give guests that thrilling scare every time they pass by. Imagine it harvesting right in your hallway. So spooky and fun. 4 feet. Animated tortured. Halloween decoration. For those who want intense, high-impact decor, the 4-foot animated tortured Halloween decoration is a must-have. Currently $3,594.97 with 56% off, it's a professional-grade piece ideal for creating a haunted house vibe. Its realistic animation and eerie design make it perfect for Halloween enthusiasts who love dramatic, jaw-dropping setups. This one's sure to leave your visitors talking long after they leave. 3 feet animated tumbling clown. Doll Halloween decoration. If creepy clowns are your thing, but you want something more manageable in size, check out the 3-foot animated tumbling clown doll. On sale for $99.98, 55% off. This little clown tumbles and moves in a way that's both playful and spooky. Perfect for indoor displays or smaller yards, it's an attention-grabbing piece that adds personality to your Halloween scene without taking over the whole space. Light up ghost camper, tabletop. Halloween decoration. For a cute and spooky indoor option, the light-up ghost camper tabletop decoration is perfect. At $7.47, 50% off. This little ghosty camper adds instant Halloween charm to your shelves, desks, or party tables. Its gentle light-up feature makes it subtle yet festive, creating a cozy Halloween vibe indoors. Perfect for decorating around snacks, candy stations, or even your workspace for some spooky fun. Wolfie Monster Kid. Halloween decoration. Next up is Wolfie Monster Kid, an animated decoration with personality. Priced at $123.97, 49% off. This one brings a playful yet spooky presence to your porch or indoor display. Its lively movements and expressive design make it a standout piece, perfect for entertaining trick-or-treaters or adding life to your Halloween scene. Wolfie's mischievous charm is sure to make your display unforgettable. Gothic Halloween Coffin. Sign for a classic Gothic touch, the Gothic Halloween Coffin sign is a must-have. Currently $14.47, 47% off. It's perfect for adding a dark, eerie accent to your porch, yard, or party setup. Its stylish Gothic design blends perfectly with other decorations, giving your Halloween display a professional, polished look. Small but impactful, it's one of those subtle pieces that really ties the whole theme together. Gothic Halloween Witch Legs. Yard Stakes. Add some quirky, spooky fun with the Gothic Halloween Witch Legs yard stakes. Right now, they're just $23.37, 46% off, and they instantly bring a playful, eerie vibe to your yard. Stick them in your lawn to make it look like a witch has met an unexpected fate. Perfect for a laugh or a playful scare when trick-or-treaters arrive. Halloween rat decorations. Next, if you love small, creepy crawly accents, the Halloween rat decorations are perfect. At $22.27, 36% off, these rats are great for adding subtle spooks anywhere, from your porch and entryway to table displays or even inside Halloween props. They're a fantastic way to add detail and personality to your setup without overwhelming your space. 20 inches by 47 inches. Animated Pumpkin Man Groundbreaker Halloween decoration. For a bold outdoor feature, meet the Animated Pumpkin Man Groundbreaker. Currently $28.07, 35% off. This animated decoration is perfect for giving your yard a lively, spooky touch. Its movement and pumpkin-themed design make it playful yet eerie, ideal for drawing attention from guests and trick-or-treaters alike. Imagine it breaking ground right in your garden. It's Halloween fun in action. Mr. Halloween Orange Halloween Tree Tabletop Decoration. For a charming tabletop addition, the Mr. Halloween Orange Halloween Tree is perfect. On sale for $32.97, 34% off, this vibrant little tree adds a pop of festive color to your indoor Halloween setup. It's ideal for party tables, mantels, or shelves, bringing a playful yet spooky accent that complements other decorations beautifully. Animated Standing Witch Ghost Halloween decoration. Next, meet the Animated Standing Witch Ghost. Priced at $35.97, 32% off. This decoration stands tall and moves to create a spooky, interactive vibe. Perfect for indoor or covered outdoor spaces, it adds motion and personality to your display. Imagine it swaying eerily in dim light. This one really sets the scene for a haunted atmosphere. 13-foot blow-up inflatable Reaper. Archway outdoor yard decoration. For a dramatic entryway, the 13-foot inflatable Reaper Archway is a showstopper. Currently $148.97, 29% off. It's perfect for greeting trick-or-treaters with an instantly spooky experience. Set it up over your walkway or porch to create a larger-than-life Halloween entrance. Guests won't be able to resist snapping photos and admiring your haunted creativity. 28. Bulk bag of skulls, 36 pieces. For an instant spooky upgrade, grab the bulk bag of 36 skulls. At $84.98, 25% off, this set is perfect for tabletop displays, party props, or creating eerie outdoor scenes. Scatter them across your yard or combine with other decorations to create a haunted vibe that's instantly eye-catching. Skulls are a Halloween classic, and with this bulk deal, you could really go all out. 8 feet animated oversized gargoyle pillar. Halloween decoration. Next, elevate your haunted setup with the 8-foot animated gargoyle pillar. Currently $279.98, 20% off. This towering piece adds a dramatic, Gothic feel to your porch or entryway. Its lifelike animation and imposing size make it a centerpiece that's sure to impress your guests and maybe even spook them a little. Perfect for creating a professional haunted house atmosphere. Boy's Ice Dragon costume. Finally, don't forget about costumes. The Boy's Ice Dragon costume is a hit for kids who love magical, adventurous looks. At $34.98, this is a great starting price for a fun, detailed Halloween outfit. Pair it with your decorations for an immersive themed experience. Perfect for trick-or-treating or Halloween parties. And there you have it. 30 incredible Halloween deals with discounts up to 89% off. Ranging from animated monsters and inflatables to tabletop decor and kid-friendly costumes. Whether you're creating a spooky outdoor scene, a playful indoor setup, or a full haunted house, these deals have you covered. Remember, these prices are limited-time offers and popular items sell out fast. So grab them while you can. All the links are in the description below. And don't forget to stick around. Next, we'll be bringing you Black Friday deals that are just as jaw-dropping.